If you own an estate planning or elder law firm, you've definitely heard about SEO. Now, if you're not getting the amount of business that you think you should from the internet, SEO is probably your issue. So why is SEO so important? One of the biggest issues attorneys face is trying to save money with cheap marketing and an avoidance of SEO. And it shows. These attorneys look cheap, and their prospects set their expectations accordingly. So how do you reach the people you want to talk to most? You have to show up as the best. The best clients want the best attorneys. They don't want the cheapest. The cheapest clients want the cheapest attorneys. This is why you must focus on SEO. You have to look the part. Okay, so how do you look the part? Well, by dominating the first page of search results when your ideal prospect does their search, and by having great reviews. The attorneys that accomplish this, well, they take the vast majority of qualified leads, leaving the other attorneys sitting on their hands wondering why their internet marketing isn't working. Listen, don't miss out on growing your revenue and improving your reputation, becoming seen as the best attorney in your market. Watch our training, the new SEO formula for estate planning and elder law attorneys. You can register on our website or somewhere near this video. We'll see you there.